wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. We are from Group 7, which would like to explain about the present perfect tense. Before that, let us introduce our group member. My name is Cynthia Vivianita Dwi Asmawati, and my student identification number 1901007. Next, my friend.
My name is Talatsa Mega Kumara. My student identification number 19011019. Next, my friend.
My name is Alfi Ikram. My student identification number 9011030. Next, my friend.
My name is Noviga Putri Pujanti, and my student identification number is 19011042. Next.
My name is Indra Mawanto. My student identification number 19011052.
Present perfect tense. Present perfect tense to state activities or action that start in the past and are still continuing to Salasa Ega.
Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense has several acts. There are number one, the express thing you have done if your life. The example, you have never eaten nugget. Number two, to express number of time you have done something. The example, how many times have you climbed the mountain? Number three, to description, reference, complete, active, which are important you. The example, I have a good news. I have kept as a manager in the company. Number four, the express situation, the start in the past and are still true. The example, she has no rice for 3 or 4 years. Number five, the descriptive uniform active of situation. The example, I have swift all of the year. Number six, the express present result. The example, Thomas have missed the bus, so he will be late. Next.
Present perfect tense has a formula. There are number one, for positive sentence is subject plus have or has plus past participle. The example is I have tried meatball, where I is the subject. Then there is have because the subject is I. So it use have, and tried is a past participle. And then for negative sentence is subject plus have not or has not plus past participle. The example is I have not tried meatball. Where I is the subject. Then there is have not is used because the subject is I. While not itself indicates that it is a negative sentence, and tried is a past participle. And the last for interrogative sentence is have or has plus subject plus past participle. The example is, have you tried the meatball? Where have, it is used because the subject is I and the past participle is tried. And next, slide 4 for Novika.
From the pretest question at the previous meeting, some questions that use the present perfect tense were question number 4, 17, 18, 19, and 20. For number 4, The question is, I have a good news. I have nominated as the best technician of the year. What is the intention of the speaker by telling the news? The question number 4 include in the present perfect tense because it uses a sentence that indicates the formula of the present perfect tense, which I have nominated has the formula subject plus have or has plus past participle, where I is the subject, there is have, and nominate is the past participle. For number 17, my neighbor, blah, 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 all my roses, and he refused to pay for replanting. The answer is has picked. So, the question number 17 include in the present perfect tense because it uses a sentence that indicates the formula of the present perfect tense, which my neighbor has picked. Has the formula subject plus have or has plus past participle, where my neighbor is the subject, there is has, and pick is the past participle. Next, number 18. The question is, my son, blah, 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 in my footsteps by becoming a computer science major at college. The answer is has followed. So, the question number 18 include in the present perfect tense because it uses a sentence that indicates the formula of the present perfect tense, which my son has followed has the formula subject plus have or has plus past participle, where my son is the subject, there is has, and followed is the past participle. Next will be explained by Cynthia.
Number 19, the question is, my son, blah, 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 the coolest science project, and I know he's going to take first prize. The answer is has built. So the question number 19 include in the present perfect tense because it uses a sentence that indicates the formula of the present perfect tense, which my son has built has the formula subject plus have or has plus past participle, where my son is the subject, there is has, and built is the past participle. Number 20, the question is you blah 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 about the origin of this project. But now let's talk about the details. So the question number 20 include in the present perfect tense because it uses a sentence that indicates the formula of the present perfect tense, which you have talked has the formula subject plus have or has plus past participle, where you is the subject, there is have, and talk is the past participle. Next.
Another example of present perfect tense. Example, Dava has done his homework. Dava is the subject, there is has according to the formula of present perfect tense. And done is the past participle. She has not worked in the office. She is the subject, there is has not according to the formula of present perfect tense. And work is the past participle. Not itself evidence that the tense is the negative tense. Has she met her present? Has is according to the formula of present perfect tense. For the interrogative tense, she is the subject and meet is the past participle.
I think that's enough for our group's presentation of the present perfect tense. Sorry if there is a mistakes in our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.